Today, we're on our way to do a little fly fishing. We've just stopped off here outside of Horn Lake to make the most epic sausage and egg breakfast sandwiches. These things are so good and so easy. I'm gonna show you how, so stick around. The great thing about these is you can make them up fast, so they are perfect when you're on the go. And they'll take care of you until dinner. So first up, let's get started on the sausage patties. I've got half a pound of pork and half a pound of ground beef. You can use lean or regular for this because you need a little bit of fat for the recipe to work best. Next, I'll add my salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. Now some white pepper, again about half a teaspoon. Okay, so the next 3 ingredients are really key to getting the flavors dialed in. I've got ground ginger, about half a teaspoon, dry mustard, the same, half a teaspoon. Now nutmeg. I know you're probably only used to having nutmeg in your lattes and baking, but trust me, this is next level delicious. Again, half a teaspoon should be good. We can finish off with 1 egg. Now the fun starts. We've got to work our mixture together really well with our hands. After about a minute or so, you can really start to see how it binds together. At this point, we can start forming the patties. We're just gonna lay these out on some wax paper. We should have enough for about 4 good-sized patties. While they set up a little, I'm gonna get the pan hot. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of olive oil, about a teaspoon, just enough so they don't catch when I first put them on. As they cook, there'll be enough fat in the patties for them not to stick to the pan. Oh yeah. These are so massive, I can only fit 2 in at a time. I'm just gonna give these a quick flip and get started on the eggs. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and give it a stir. These are looking so good. Look at that caramelized outer crust. Last night, I made buttermilk biscuits. These are gonna be a perfect base for our breakfast sandwich. I'm gonna show you how to make these in an upcoming episode. Now it's time for a nice layer of black and blue jam. Blackberry and blueberry. Look at that. I think these are done. Let's get them on the biscuits. Let's give these eggs a quick stir. These will take almost no time. Let's get the heat off. These will continue cooking in the nice hot pan. Put a generous amount onto each sandwich. Oh my God. We nailed it, Darren. Oh my God, this is so good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.